What's going on? It's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you another cash stuffing envelope video, and this will be week number 3 for January 2021, and let's get into this. I got that cash for the videos. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I got that cash for the video. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, guys. So, I have my cash. And first, I'm a little bit ashy. I've been running around trying to get everything taken care of. Ran some errands, so we're going to get into this Into the Night by Bath & Body Works, and I just need a little bit. Nobody wants no ashy hands in a video, okay? So, alright. It smells really nice too. Okay, so let's get started. So, we have my cash stuffing envelope. Yes, my cash envelopes. And that's me time, gas, groceries, household items, and childcare. I have my handy dandy notepad and my pen. I have my extra money container. I actually made this today. I laminated it, and I had to make a new one because the teller, she forgot to put it back in my envelope and the other paper that I had that I would use for my denominations, what I needed. So I just made this one up, and hopefully now they won't be taking keeping it, but it's all good. If they do, I'll just make a new one. So let's go over this real quick. I have I needed 3 20s to make $60. I needed 8 10s to make $80. I needed 7 5s to make $35, and I needed 10 1s to make $10 to have $185. So that's what we'll be stuffing today. And of course, here's my cash. Then I have my Betsy Johnson wallet that I love. It's one of my favorite wallets because it takes care of these plus other things that I need to carry on a daily basis. And then I have my phone so I can go ahead and calculate everything up. So, if you are new, thank you for watching this video. Please give me a like, share, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I'm trying to get it up, y'all. I'm trying to grow my channel, and every person that will subscribe, matter of fact, if you subscribe to this video, please comment down below saying I have subscribed, and I would love that. And put up a pink heart, purple heart, red heart, it don't matter which heart, but just put a heart in the comment section with your comment saying I have subscribed, and I would greatly appreciate that. So we're gonna go ahead and see what I need for my cash envelope video. I'm sorry, for my cash envelopes, and then we're gonna go ahead and see what I spent last week, well, this past week, and then we're going to go ahead and stuff my money. So, for me time, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. For me time, I need $10. I'm sorry, $20. I'm cutting myself short. I need $20. Then for my groceries, I need $50. For gas, I need $30. For household items, I need $10. Excuse me. And then for childcare, I need $75. Which, if we add this all up, which I'm going to do right now, if we add this all up, it'll be 20 plus 50 plus 30 plus 10 plus 75 equals 185. So I'll need 185 to fill my envelopes. So before we fill our envelopes, we're going to take our extra money and we're going to see if I have anything. And I think I have something. So this past week, I have $15.02 in here. So let's see what we will be adding today to our extra money container. I'm just getting everything situated here. All right. So childcare, as you know, there should be zero. Nothing. Empty. Me time, I got a few change. A few coins. So let's see how much I got. So I had $20 in here. And I spent all but 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. So I will put this over here. 8 cents. And then I'll drop it in the container. For gas, I actually had $5. I put 25 in. So we're going to add $5 and drop it in the container. For groceries, I didn't need a whole lot this week. So I got 5, 10, 15. I'm sorry. 5, 10, 11, and 12. So I got $12 and it was out of 50. So I will just drop it right on in. And then for household items, I have 0. So if we add this all up, where's my calculator? All right. If we add this all up, we will get, so we start out with $15.02 plus 0.08 plus $5 plus $12. We are up to $32.10, and that is pretty good. So $32.10, and today's date is, what is today's date, guys? The 15th. So that's what we got. All right, so let's get to our envelopes, stuffing these bad boys. All right, so just put that all out the way. Let me go ahead and put it all out. So how has everybody been doing? Please let me know in my comments. I do love to talk to you guys, so you're more than welcome to ask me any questions or just to say hi, and I will definitely get back to you because I do like to communicate with my peoples, the ones that are supporting me. I love it. I love it. I love it. So another thing, when I reach 500 subscribers, right now, let's see how many subscribers I have. I'm going to go into my YouTube buddy that I love to check out, or is it my, yeah, I'm going to go into my YouTube buddy, and right now, let me see. I'm just going to freshen it up real quick. Right now, I have 470 followers. That is so awesome because, of course, we started out at 0. Big old 0, and now we're at 470. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I need 30 people. Oh my gosh, excuse me, guys. I need 30 people to subscribe so that I can do my giveaway. And it's just a small token to show my appreciation to all of you guys. I will be picking one person, and it will be, I don't know if it's going to be it probably will be at random. And I'll let you guys know more about that the closer I get to my 500 subscribers. So anyway, let's just go ahead and jump into that. I just wanted y'all to know so that you guys are, of course, subscribing and all that great stuff. So let's go ahead and fill these envelopes. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of my men. I got to have them all in the same direction. It just helps me out. Like, I can't. I feel like, when they're not going in the same direction. I'm thinking about getting a container. I'm not sure, but maybe getting some kind of container that I can use for my money when I am pulling out. Maybe not. I might just go the same way I've been going. Who knows? But that's just an idea. Alright, so we're going to start with household items. And I need $10 for that. And I'll just take a 10 right there. And of course, you guys, y'all know household items like toothpaste, mouthwash, deodorant. Well, not really deodorant. That's personal care items. Even mouthwash is personal care items. But household items will be like dishwashing detergent, laundry detergent, baking soda. I mean, anything like that of course that you will use for your household. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm just saying stuff that I like to do. So, boom. Household items is $10. And then we come to our groceries. And our groceries is $50. So, I will be taking 3 10s and 4 5s. 4 5s. So, that's 10, 20, 30. 35, 40, 45, and 50. And that will be for groceries. I was also thinking about doing, instead of me using my grocery money, if I don't really need it, maybe I just need for that week, I might just need milk, bread, some eggs, something like that. I'll go ahead and take out, and then the rest I'll go ahead and save it. Just what I need to do is like where I use up everything that I have in my cabinets, everything in my freezer, stuff like that. Because, I mean, I do have quite a bit of things that I can go ahead and use up instead of always buying more stuff to put in until I have reached, of course, my stuff is falling off my table. But anyway, until I have reached, I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but I think that would be a good idea. And just the necessary items, like milk is always a necessity. Bread, of course, is always a necessity. Stuff like that. Fresh fruits and veggies, like we always eat bananas, grapes, stuff like that. I could take out of my groceries and not use all of my $50. So I might actually start that this week. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So the next one that I need to fill is my gas, and I will go with 3 10s to give it $30. And then I have me time, and we're going with, I'm taking the 10 ones. Look, I gotta have them facing the right way. I know I'm not the only one, guys, but anyway. So I'm gonna take this and a $10 bill. So that makes it 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that is for my me time, guys. And y'all know what me time is. It's for whatever you want to have it for. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, a cup of coffee from Dunkin' Donut, or Royal Farms, whoever you prefer, Wawa, all those people. Or you can keep it for a mani, a petty, anything you want. So my me time is just what it means for whatever I want. And then I have childcare, and we all know that's $75. So we have our 3 20s left and 3 5s left. So that would be 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. And that's for childcare. So guys, we have stuffed all of our envelopes. And I have my extra money container that is actually in the floor right now. But we're not going to worry about that. But I do have everything ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in my wallet, which I'll put it on this side. And if you guys want to know where I got this wallet from, I got it from TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx. I have to go there. This is where I always get my Bessie Johnson items from, whether it's a bag or a wallet. So I do need to return there, but I don't know when I'm going back there. But anyway, guys, we have reached the end of my video. Y'all know I love y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Also, to my new subscribers, please make sure that when you do subscribe, I need 30 more. I'm telling y'all, I need 30 more 30 more people to subscribe to my channel so that I can reach my 500. And once I reach my 500, I will be doing a mini giveaway, and I have an idea of what I want to do. But I need y'all to make sure that when you subscribe, you put "I have subscribed" in my comment section, and then also put a heart. It can be any color heart that you want. Just drop it down below, right with "I have subscribed," and that will let me know that I have you guys as my family. Alright guys, I love you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.